Hi everyone, my name is Anjali and I'm fourth year BSMS student from ISER Bhopal. I'm from biological science majors, and in this video I'm gonna tell you what are the perks of ISER tag. There are many perks, and to know them be with me till end. So the first point is international recognition. So you won't believe, but I know that ISERs are not so much recognized in India, but when it comes to abroad, ISERs are highly recognized. So if you have seen Sumit Bhaiya's video, which I have uploaded recently on my channel about what is the placement opportunity and PhD abroad scenario of ISERs. So in that, Sumit Bhaiya has told everything, and that video is very helpful if you are someone from a middle class family and who, dreams of going abroad. So you should watch that video. And in that video, Sumit Bhaiya has only told that professors are crazy for people from ISER when it comes to PhD abroad. Students from ISERs are highly recognized when it comes to PhD abroad, and professors are very happy to take them. And if you are someone from ISER, then you'll get an edge over all other students because of your ISER tag. And believe me, it is very difficult from students from other colleges to get a PhD abroad when it comes to any state university. But because of your ISER tag, you'll always have an added advantage over them. So this is the first point, that you'll get a lot of benefit if you're applying for PhD abroad because of your ISER tag. The second point, you won't believe, but it's true that you'll never be unemployed if you have graduated from ISER. So, ISER gives you merit. In my previous video, also, that video, why you should not join ISER, in that I have told you about the academics of ISERs. It's rigorous. So, in any BTech college or MBBS is a lot of studies, I know that, but in any other college except that, if you go, then even if you study 1 week before exams, you will pass. But it's not the case at ISERs. You have to study throughout the semester, then only you are gonna pass, or you're gonna get an average marks. So you have to study. The curriculum of ISER is set in such a way that you'll be continuously studying. So ISERs will develop a merit in you, and people with merit, they will never be unemployed for sure, because everyone wants a child, everyone wants a candidate who has some merit, who can add some benefit to their company. So so you'll not be unemployed, you will be settled at some point of your time. So this is the second point. And now the third point, ISERs are heaven for research. So I have taken admission in DU also after 12th, just after 12th, and I left it. So DU is also very good. So I think I can give a comparison to you all. ISERs have everything, every single thing which is there in India for research. ISERs have that. There is no single equipment which is not there in ISER, and it is there somewhere in India. So for research, each and every facility is given to you. Literally all the equipments are there, whatever India can provide you. So everything is there at ISER. So for research, you will get all the facility. And there is a stereotype that government कॉलेज उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाइज, एंड कहीं कहीं पे पढ़ाई नहीं होता है. बट एट आइजर, infra is so good, like you'll have a world class experience here, such a good library, such good, your classes, everything is so good. Hostels are also good, mess, you'll have all the grounds for sports. So you'll have a lot of facility here, and you just have to utilize that. So you'll get world class facility here. So this is the power of ISER, which I don't think that other government colleges have. So this is an added advantage of ISER. Really, it's very beautiful. Literally, the campus is so beautiful. People from ISER Bhopal, like I am from ISER Bhopal, so I know ISER Bhopal's campus. So anyone will agree to this. So this is the thing. The fourth benefit of ISER is ISER's professors. So yeah, ISER's professors are the pillars of ISER. Literally, I'm telling you, professors here are so great. If you will see their educational qualifications, means they are our inspiration, like we want to become like them. They are teaching us and they are our role models. We also want to be researchers like them. So they have a proper lab facility, they are proper researchers, and they teach us also. So this is the thing here, and they are very much qualified, like everyone has done something from abroad, like PhD or postdoc. They have a, basically they have a lot of n number of research papers published. So literally they are very great, and when it comes to teaching us, they teach in a different manner. Like a person, there are many professors, but I have seen that people, professors at ISER, they teach in a different manner. Like the way they teach is only scientific. So they won't be asking you questions which are rectification based. The same is with IAT also. If you have given IAT paper, that cramming type of questions will not be asked. Questions will more be conceptual. So here also it's like that. Professors give more importance to concepts and they teach in a very scientific manner. So this is the fourth point. So the next added advantage of studying at ISER is your exposure towards lab. So even a first year student will have a great exposure of all the lab activities. So whatever subjects you have, earth science, bio, chemistry, physics, so you have to do lab of every subject. Yeah, you have to study, and then there will be lab. So first half you have to study and second half you have to do lab, or reverse, like first half you can do lab and second half you'll study in class. So the timetable, whatever your timetable will come, accordingly you have to do. So the thing which I'm gonna tell is that labs are compulsory, and labs here are very much important. And everyone, when I went for internship now to TIFR, then I have seen that my professor, I'll not take his name, but he always preferred students from ISERs and NISER for internship. Why? Because he knows that at ISERs or NISER, students are good at lab skills than any other student. Because every day if you will do lab, then of course you'll have a hands-on experience on lab experiments and all. So that's the added advantage, and everyone knows about it that ISERs have high class lab facilities. So people prefer ISER students for jobs in companies. If you are gonna go for R&D, then you can go. See, from this year actually, recently only ISERs have become a little active in placements also. So placement cell has become active, so you'll get placements also. And for international, I have already told you that professors prefer us, so this is an added advantage. And the next point is ISERs are a different world, literally different world from outside. You'll enter into a very beautiful world, which is very much study oriented, and infra is so good. So you will have a peace of mind here actually to study, and that is very important according to me. So here you have no other work than studying. So you can do whatever you want to. People prepare for their respective exams, means you'll have all the facilities and you'll have almost every book in our library. Yeah, and the most important point, you are studying in Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. So this institute, as the name suggests, this is an Indian institute which is made entirely for research. So, and research itself has a lot of respect added to its name. So if you're someone who is studying at ISER, then of course you're gonna get respect in society. See, for me, respect is above money, and ISERs make you such a knowledgeable person. You become scientists, you become researchers, professors. So if you're studying in ISER, then if you will tell someone, then of course they will see you with a mark of respect. So what ISERs give you is also respect. So these were some of the perks of studying in ISER. So if this video was helpful, then you can like this video and subscribe. And I recommend you all to see Sumit Bhaiya's video for placements at ISER. That video will be very helpful. And before taking admission to ISER, I think that you should watch that video, because literally it will give you a lot of insights. And if you want me to make some other video for any topic, then you can comment down. I'll make video on that topic. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.